Make the ground shake.
Countable and non-countable nouns. Number 1. Countable nouns. These are the names of objects, people, and animals that we can count. Example: book, pen, apple, boy, sister, doctor, table, bus, house, tree, dog, goat, etc. Not. 1. Countable nouns allow plurals. Example: books, while non-countable nouns do not allow plural. 2. Countable nouns do not stand alone in singular form without an article. Example: you cannot say Dell is sick, but a girl is sick. Number 2. Uncountable nouns. These are the names of things which we cannot count. Example: milk, oil, sugar, water, honest, music, etc. They mainly denote substances and abstract things. Countable nouns have plural forms, while uncountable nouns do not. For example, we say books, but we cannot say milks. Abstract and concrete nouns are abstract nouns. Abstract nouns refer to states, events, feelings, etc. They are just imagined and cannot be understood in a physical sense. Example: idea, advice, concept, freedom, etc. B. Concrete nouns. Concrete nouns refer to objects and substances which physically do exist. These are objects that we can use our sense to determine that they exist. Thus, we can touch them, taste them, see them, etc.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video. And don't forget to subscribe.